made us miss our flight. She got mad at me, and then I told her to get the bags. Yeah. And then everybody started looking. I'm just trying to get home. Wait, so are you trying to take me to jail?
When does a public altercation become a criminal offense? And when both parties claim to be the victim, who does the law actually hold responsible? This encounter raises 5 distinct legal questions. The answers determine whether this case ends with a single misdemeanor or escalates to federal civil rights court.
Sit down. Hey, Missy. What's your name, sweetheart? Calm down. Let's go ahead and find out what happened. Let him handle this.
Nothing happened though.
Let him go ahead. He just told you to go. We're gonna see what's going on. All right? Just relax. Relax. All right? Just relax. He went over there. What happened? Why were you getting called? What happened?
I don't know why y'all getting a call.
No. He went over there. He said for the other one. Is that your girlfriend over there?
Yes, I'm just trying to get my bags.
All right, what's going on?
I was just telling her to get the bag. She left her bag. She made us miss our flight. She got mad at me, and then I told her to get the bags. Yeah. And then everybody started looking. I don't know.
All right, let's just.
She slapped the drink at the desk because and then she blamed it on me. That's all that happened. That's what I'm saying. We're fine. I just need to get my ID from her.
All right, we're gonna handle that. We're gonna get your ID from her. You guys go ahead and separate this. Right now, he
I don't understand. So we have to go to Baltimore.
Yeah.
We can't separate. She asked me like
No, don't worry. You're gonna get your stuff. I promise you. You're gonna get it.
We have to figure out where to go to. Like you talking about flight.
What time's your flight?
Our flight was for 9. She missed it.
Oh, she missed it. So you guys gonna have to go talk to spirit people to try to get.
That's what I'm saying. We have to go talk. And y'all are trying to chase it right now. She talking about going to jail. Nobody's gonna go to jail.
Nobody ain't gonna go to jail. Nobody ain't gonna go to jail.
I'm trying to get my flight.
You have a name. Come on, stop it. You won't be able to fly if you didn't have no name. Stop it.
Oh, she's a victim?
No, I'm not arresting her.
You're not arresting her. We are.
I'm not you guys to arrest her.
Hey,
Yes,
she can't punch you in front of me on Bodycam. That doesn't
She
work.
didn't punch me.
It's on
Can I
Bodycam.
talk to her,
No, you can't.
please? Where is she? How am I supposed to
How do you
communicate
pronounce?
with
Is it
her?
Destiny is your first name? Destiny. Ma'am. Destiny.
Jesus Christ. Oh, so she's the victim?
She's the victim, but she. They literally live together. Like grab the other girl,
Where was that?
I was over Foxtrot.
Oh, Foxtrot.
Yeah, I had to chase her down.
Please.
It's over Foxtrot, and then.
And who's there? Rest or where is it?
She was still over there. I asked somebody to sit with her.
Oh, okay.
Because I had to chase her down.
Can I get my bags, please?
Listen to me. It's not up to you.
No, I
If she
understand.
did it in front of us, it's not
Oh
going
my
to do. So you need to take a
God.
breath and relax.
Oh my God.
Whatever she do,
Can
whatever
I
she
talk
did.
to
Okay,
please?
but whatever
Can you
she did.
understand me?
Okay, but
If
you
I
have to
forgive
calm
her,
and take a breath.
calm.
Take a breath.
Can you understand
Okay.
what I'm trying to
You need to
say?
sit and
I
take a
was
breath.
not expecting that. Oh,
It's not up to us.
I literally
Breathe, relax, chill. You want to have a seat? Have a seat.
I just want to
You wanna have a
speak
seat?
to her.
Have a
Can I
seat.
speak to her?
No.
Why?
Because-
I need to know where she's going.
We will
You
tell
guys
you
are
all
not
that.
telling
We
me
will
anything.
tell you
I
all
don't
that, but
have
you need to
anything
sit.
out here. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my God.
The reason why is they said he'd be out August 15th.
15?
Alright, so I was
Put this right here.
okay.
You said you what?
You got your haircuts?
Oh. I did what?
What's the other one?
I punched her? Oh, hell no.
That's what they said.
Come on, don't do that. Hold on, watch your back. I want
Right now,
to stick
you're
your back.
detained. Right now, you're detained. All right?
3 Alpha 20, we have one detained. Hold on, give me a minute. Let me go ahead and lock her thing.
Yes!
Let me go ahead and lock it.
Sir, that's what I'm trying to say. Nothing happened to me. This was like,
You already missed your flight.
she threw my drink at the flight attendant. The flight attendant then looked at me. She said, are you okay? I said, no, I'm going to get her. I chased her down this hall. I said, why would you do that? She said, you would start hitting me and pushing me. So then I grabbed my bag off of her arm. And then everybody started looking at us. And then she ran. And I just started chasing her. I said, why you have my ID and all that? That's when the police came. She said, can you get off of her, sir? She told the police, get off of her, sir. He said, what is happening? I said, nothing is happening.
But the thing is, you see how you explained it, the thing? If you gave us these stories, we could have
But I already told him, so I'm trying to say he watched me.
This gentleman right here, and I tried to talk to you in the beginning, you didn't want to say nothing. Now, Miss No Name, we have to detain you.
Sir, how are you... Can I at least speak to her? Can I at least speak to her for my ID?
She has her ID.
Yes, she has my ID and all that.
No, you're going to get it back.
Can I tell her to call my parents?
She's on the phone with them.
She's on the phone with her parents. She doesn't give a about me. I need to call my parents. I don't live here.
Happy, it's not for you as well. 14 Alpha 10, are you guys set for a reference to the 32?
She lives in California. I live in Maryland. I need to call my parents. I'm 21.
Go ahead and read that.
You can call your parents and if you get arrested, you're going to go down to the main jail and then you
I'm getting arrested.
very likely.
It's all gonna be a figure. Either you or her. Depends who hit who.
Depends, right?
That's why when
That's
we were
why you're being
explaining...
detained pending an investigation. It's a lawful detention.
Can I please just speak to her about calling my parents?
There's no speaking to now at this point.
Destiny!
She's too far even away for the hearing. What time we got to come?
We came from on my birthday trip. We were literally good. She got mad because she made us miss our flight. She threw my drink at the flight attendant at the table. She can tell you, at this ferry table, two tables down. She threw the drink at the lady. The lady then looked at me crazy. I said, it's okay, I'm sorry, I will go handle her. This happened right there. That's down. She threw the drink at the lady. I told her to calm down. No, it wasn't a restaurant. It was at the baggage claim. The lady was trying to twist our flight. She got mad at the lady. I said, why are you getting mad at everybody else? She made us miss our flight. It's takeover. Sir.
That's her...
Do you know what is about to happen?
right now, we got to figure out this pending investigation.
Sir, I cannot sit in the back right now. I'm claustrophobic. Can I just stand outside?
Yeah, you stand outside right now.
Can you get off me, please?
No, I can't do that. That's part of it.
I'm not gonna run, sir.
I know you're not gonna run, but still, I
promise. I'm just claustrophobic trying to get home, bro. No, I'm claustrophobic. I have anxiety. I'm just trying to get home. Wait, so are you trying to take me to jail?
It's not me. We gotta do a pending investigation.
Like I told you. We're gonna figure out there's three sides to every story.
But Miss No Name.
Nobody has got my story yet.
Miss No Name, when did we
Sir,
try to talk to you?
Because I told the guy my story. He was there. He said, why are you mad? I said, because she will not get my stuff. And she's running away. Sir, I'm claustrophobic. Can I send it back to you right now?
You could do one favor though. You could use her shirt and just wipe her down.
Please.
That's her request.
I can what?
Wipe her face with her shirt. It's no name. I gave you all the opportunity to say what's going on. You didn't want to even give me your name. That's
Sir,
why
I
you
did because nothing is going on. She literally got mad. She made us miss our flight. She threw the drink at the flight attendant. I literally stopped her. You can see the scratch on my arm if you lift up my shirt. She pulled me.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You didn't say nothing.
Sir, because you were...
I was very calm with you and talked to you. The other deputy was calm with you too.
Including carry-on baggage and trip baggage to avoid transporting items without your knowledge.
Sir.
Carrying firearms.
Now you're gonna have to do the property thing.
By federal law and
Sir, I can't do this.
I can't give it to the girl.
Can I please speak to her?
The victim. The only thing to bring the phone, the hat, and the money. Yeah, give that to jail.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. Officers may detain individuals based on reasonable articulable suspicion. A battery dispatch call satisfies this standard. Both detentions here were lawful. Investigative detention is not an arrest. Detention requires reasonable suspicion. Arrest requires probable cause. Handcuffing alone does not convert a detention into a formal arrest. Battery requires 3 elements: intentional act, harmful or offensive contact, and absence of consent. Throwing a beverage at an airline employee satisfies all 3 elements. In most U.S. jurisdictions, battery against a transportation employee constitutes a felony-level offense, not a misdemeanor. The charge level depends entirely on the controlling state statute. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,989. The reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. OC spray is a less lethal intermediate response on the use of force continuum. Lawful deployment requires active physical resistance or an immediate threat of harm. Absent those conditions, deployment may constitute excessive force under federal law. Miranda, Arizona, 384 U.S., 436, 1,966. Constitutional rights attach upon custodial arrest, not during investigative detention. Voluntary statements made before formal arrest are fully admissible in court. Hybel v. 6th Judicial District, 542 U.S., 177, 2004. Stop and identify statutes are constitutionally valid under the Fourth Amendment. In applicable jurisdictions, refusal to disclose name is an independent criminal offense. Legal lesson: in a mutual dispute, the first party to provide a coherent and consistent account to investigating officers often shapes the direction of the entire investigation. Legal lesson: physical pursuit of another person through a public space carries indefinite civil and criminal liability. Provocation is not a recognized defense to false imprisonment. Battery charges have been filed, but were all procedural thresholds met? Was the detention lawful from beginning to end? Did the use of force remain within constitutional limits? The charging decision is only the beginning. Between an arrest and a verdict lies an entirely different legal battlefield. Who wins that battle depends on answers this camera did not capture.